Unleash creativity with GPT-4. Welcome to Lecture 6, titled, Unleash Creativity with GPT-4, where we embrace Objective 3, to tap into the wellspring of creativity offered by the latest AI technologies. Today we step into the realm of creative exploration, where GPT-4 is not just a tool but a collaborator. The advent of GPT-4 has revolutionized the way we think about creativity. This AI isn't just a mimic of human thought, it's a catalyst for new ideas, expanding our creative boundaries beyond traditional limitations. In the past, creativity was often siloed, confined to the human mind. Now, with GPT-4, we can enhance our creative processes by leveraging a system that processes vast quantities of literature, art, and scientific research in moments. It's like having an infinitely well-read and insightful companion at your side, ready to co-create and inspire. Understanding the role of GPT-4 in stimulating creativity means recognizing its ability to offer divergent thinking and perspectives. For instance, when faced with writer's block, a prompt to GPT-4 asking for story ideas based on a single word can yield a multitude of directions, themes, and character arcs, igniting the writer's imagination. Let's delve into a practical example. If you're developing a narrative and you provide GPT-4 with a character sketch and a dilemma, GPT-4 can not only suggest possible plot developments but also forecast character growth, thematic elements, and even dialogues. Similarly, in the realm of music, feeding GPT-4 a genre and mood can lead to suggestions for melody lines or lyrical content. Exploring the creative potential of AI-powered content generation reveals a landscape where the boundaries of what can be created expand with each interaction. Whether it's developing innovative marketing campaigns, plotting intricate narratives, or composing music, GPT-4's contributions are limited only by the questions we ask and the prompts we provide. As we conclude today's lecture, remember that GPT-4 is a bridge to uncharted creative territories. In our next lesson, we'll learn how to master storytelling with GPT-4. Join us as we continue to push the envelope of what's possible with AI in our creative endeavors.